Ever wanted to get your favorite Android apps running on your PC? Let's break it down.
Yeah, it's not always easy on Windows, especially since Microsoft dropped its official support. But hey, no worries, you've still got plenty of options. We'll walk through 5 of them. So we'll go from simple phone mirroring all the way to powerful gaming emulators.
Okay, first up, Phone Link. This is Microsoft's way to just mirror your phone on your PC.
Setup is super simple. It's really all about quick access to your apps and notifications.
It's perfect for convenience, but for gaming, not so much. You might see some lag. All right, what if you want the entire Android OS running right on your computer?
That's where Genymotion comes in. It's a powerful emulator that runs Android inside VirtualBox.
The setup's a bit more involved, but it gives you tons of control over your virtual device. Want to go even deeper? Android x86 puts the full OS right onto your PC's hardware.
So here's the choice. Run it inside an app or install it like a main OS.
Okay, let's switch gears. If you're all about gaming, these next 2 are for you.
First, we've got Google Play Games. This is the official, legit way to play on Windows. Just download it, sign in, and bam! Your game library syncs up automatically. So easy. But what's the alternative? Well, there's the longtime favorite for gamers, Bluestacks. Bluestacks is all about performance, giving you total control over graphics and speed for gaming. So with all these options, which one is actually right for you? Let's figure that out. This chart breaks it down perfectly. Just find what you need from easy to advanced.